Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Maths by Vivek. So today we are going to discuss another important topic, that is moments in statics. Moments are very important as far as statics is concerned because moments plays a very vital role in calculating the different powers and calculating the skewness and the what we say that skewness and kurtosis. So if you want to know that how to find the skewness and kurtosis, it is very much important to know about the it is no very much important to have a knowledge about moments. So today I'm going to tell you the basic meaning of moments and how we can derive the different moments. So stay tuned and watch the complete video so that you can understand what is the meaning of moments, and we'll continue this video session so that we'll come to know that how we can calculate and how we can reach to skewness and kurtosis. So let's start today's topic, that is moments. So we are going to start moments. So moments are basically that is moments how we can divide. Basically, as far as definition is concerned, moments are moments are arithmetic mean of different powers of data or you can say random, we can say data about some specific specific numbers. So as I told you that moments are basically the different powers of data about the specific number. So what we should know that what are the numbers. Actually, when we talk about the number, this may be origin, this may be origin, this may be arithmetic mean, that is this may be mean, and this may be any random number. This may be any random number. So one by one we'll discuss that is any random number. So one by one we'll discuss that how to find the moments about origin, mean, and any random number. Okay, so let's start that moments about moments about moments about origin. First of all, we'll start that moment about origin. That we have moments about mean, and last we'll discuss that is moment about any number. So one by one in sequential order we'll cover these three topics, and after that we will discuss that is relation between different moments. This is important. That is how we can relate the above moments. Okay, so this is also important how we can relate the different moments. So first of all, let's start with how to find the moments about origin. That is moments about origin. Okay, so as I told you by the definition of moments, for frequency distribution, for frequency distribution, moments are basically arithmetic mean of summation of frequency, that is this any number xi minus, as we are talking about the origin, so we must include minus 0 power r, this is just hold on, this is basically the rth moment. So moment about origin generally is represented by vr. So vr is generally this formula, that is summation of fi into xi minus 0 power r into fi. Okay, So if I want to know that what is the value of v0, so we know that any number raised to the power 0 will become 1. So v0 is 1, and if we are interested in calculating v1, it is simply 1 upon n summation of fi xi power, that is we can write xi power 1. So in general 1 upon n summation of fi xi, and you are very well aware about it that it is equal to mean. So what we conclude that the first moment about origin is called mean. We can conclude that what we can conclude that first moment we can conclude that first moment about the origin is called mean. Hope you are getting what I mean to say. That is, first of all, we start calculating the moments about the origin. Then we got the value of v0, then v1, and if you are interested in calculating higher means higher moments like v2, so v2 by the definition of v2, v2 will be equals to 1 upon n summation of fi into xi square. And similarly, if you are interested in finding the moment v3, it is simply the fi into xi power cube. So in this way we can find the different mean, and general formula become 1 upon n summation of fi xi power r, where you must also know that n represents the total frequency, n represent total frequency. So hopefully as of now I am able to make you understand that what is the what are the different values of moments about the origin. So let's talk about that moments about mean. Moments about second topic we have moments about mean. This is also called known as the central moments. These are also known as the central moments and generally represented by the mu. So by the definition of moments, as we are calculating the moments about the mean, so it is by the definition it is defined as 1 over n summation of fi xi minus x bar power r. So where x bar represent the mean. So where x bar, that is here you can see we have a term x bar, where x bar is called the mean. Okay. So as of now I let you know that the rth moment. Now if you put the different values of r, that is put r equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on, we get mu 0. That is mu 0, it will be equals to 1 over n summation of fi into xi minus x bar power 0, and we know that it is equals to 1, so it will become 1 over n summation of fi, and we know that summation of fi represent total frequency, and which is equals to n. So by the definition, that is mu naught equals to n over n, it is equals to 1. So mu naught is 1. So we got the value of mu naught equals to 1 at r equals to 0. If we put r equals to 1, so we'll get that is mu 1 will be equals to 1 over n summation of fi xi minus x bar power 1. So if we simplify it, we'll get 1 over n summation of fi xi minus 1 over n, that is summation 1 over n into summation of fi into x bar. Okay, so we know that as I told you previously also, summation of fi xi over n represents the mean, and here this mean is constant, so we can take it out, from take it out. So if we take it out from the summation, So what we'll get, that is summation of fi over n. And as I told you, these are equal. These are equal. That is, this expression equals to 1. So we simply find that mu1 will be equals to, that is mu1. So we got, that is mu1 equals to x bar minus x bar, which has become 0. So we got mu1 equals to 0, and we got mu 0 equals to, we got mu 0 equals to 1. Now if we are interested in find another, that is mu 2, so we have to put r equals to 2. That is, so it will become 1 over n summation of fi xi minus x bar whole square. And you are very much familiar, you should be very much familiar if you are interested in the statistic, and it is called the variance. It is called the variance. Okay, so it has become the variance. That is, we know that mu2 is also known as the variance. So hopefully you understand that what is the value of variance. So, and we know that standard deviation is the square root of variance. So we can also say that standard deviation is the square root of mu2. Similarly, we can find mu3. So it will be again equals to 1 over n summation of fi into xi minus x bar whole cube, and so on and so on. Similarly, 1 upon n. At least you should know the, you should have the knowledge of at least 4 moments, whether moments are about mean, origin, or any raw value. So you should have knowledge about the at least first four moments. Okay, so first four moment, that is, we got mu naught equals to 1, mu1 equals to 0, and mu2 equals to, that is variance, and that was equals to 1 over n summation of fi into xi minus x bar square. In the similar manner, we got mu3 equals to 1 upon n summation of fi into xi minus x bar ka power x bar power 3, and similarly mu4 equals to 1 over n summation of fi into xi minus x bar power 4. Okay, so we have derived the moments about the origin as well as the moment about the mean. Now we talk about moment about any random number. Moment about any random number. So as I told you, this is written moment. This is moment about any particular number. For example, let this number is a. Let this number is a. So if we are interested in find the moment about a, so generally it is denoted by mu dash. So mu dash, rth moment is given as mu r dash equals to 1 over n by the definition fi into xi minus a power r. This is the rth moment. And if we put different values of r, that is, if we put r equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, we get mu 0, mu dash 0, mu dash 1, mu dash 2, mu dash 3 respectively, and so on. So if you are interested in finding mu dash 0, so it will be 1 over n summation of fi into xi minus a power 0. So we know that it is going to be equals to this term is going to be equals to 1. So what we are left with, mu dash 0 will be equals to 1 over n summation of fi into summation of fi, and we know that summation of fi again equals to summation of fi has become or always equals to total frequency. So mu dash 0 equals to 1 equals to 1. If you are interested similarly, like putting we are interested in find the difference, that is if we are putting r equals to 1, putting r equals to 1, that if we are putting r equals to 1 here, so we will get mu1 dash, and that is equals to mu1 dash equals to 1 over n summation of fi into xi minus a power 1. If we further solve it, we will get 1 over n summation of multiplying fi into xi. Now a is constant here, a is any constant number, so we can take it outside the summation, so we are left with the summation of fi upon n, and as I told you, this represent the mean value x bar, and it represent, that is this will be equals to, it is equals to 1, because that is fi equals to summation of fi equals to n. So mu1 dash we have, that is we have mu1 dash equals to x bar minus a. In the similar manner, if we are interested in finding the difference, that is mu2 dash, it is again 1 over n summation of fi into xi minus a whole square, and similarly mu3 dash will be equals to 1 over n summation of fi into xi minus a power cube, and mu4 dash, we can simply write these values by replacing the different value of r. So as of now we have we have studied that what are the different moments about origin, then central value, and then any random number. Oh, so hopefully this up to this point you are clear that how we calculated the different mean. But now we are interested in the relation, that is relationship between mu v and mu v and mu dash. So this we'll study in the next video. So till then, you keep watching this video, and please, if you like the video, please share it, and please subscribe to my channel Engineering Maths by Vivek Sharma. So see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.